Hello, my crafty friends. How's everyone doing today? I'm so glad you're here. I'm Sheree. Welcome to my craft room. I am finishing up this Cinderella journal that I am making for my friend to give to her mom for Mother's Day. I've done a lot to it off video since my last video where we worked on it together. So I will have a lot of surprises for you and a lot of things you haven't seen on the flip through. But basically it's done. I wanted to add some pretty paper clips here with some things to clip in. So I've got a little few things here to clip in, but I don't have any paper clips ready. The one thing that I don't have ready for my journals is paper clips. So I need to do that. I think I'm going to take my paper clips and my ribbons to work this week and just, get some paper clips ready to go. Because, sometimes I do them to match the journal, but still, I can get them ready and then pull them out as I need them, even if I need to match the journal. So I'm opening this up so that I can find pages to clip the things in that I want to clip. So I've got that ready. I've got my scissors here. And so what it is, the reason I'm doing this video is because a subscriber asked me how I make my paper clips. Well, and I call them decorated paper clips, and they're really pretty little paper clips, right? But these are the easiest decorated paper clips you will ever make. So I just thought this would be a good way to show you how I make them while I'm finishing up this journal, and I need to make some. So usually I have this little bag of the plastic cover, different colors of paper clips. This is how I keep them in a little drawer right here behind me in my dresser in my craft room. This is all I have here. I recently had to buy more at Dollar Tree, the little packages. They have these at Dollar Tree, and I bought one there, and because I was running low, because I do make a lot of these little paper clips lately, it seems. I like them, and I didn't realize how much other people like them until another one of my subscribers said that she would like some, and she would pay she would pay for them. I was like, oh my goodness, I don't know why I didn't realize, but I just really didn't realize how much I know I like them, but I just didn't realize how much other people like them. So I'm just pulling up some random ones here, pulling out some random colors here. And I also have, you don't have to use these colored ones. I also use the, just the regular metal ones. Now these are really cool. I thought I would make at least one of these. These are a little bit smaller than regular paper clips. And I found these at a thrift store, and I believe they're vintage. They came in this little box that is really, I think it's like a small little box. It's a super cute little box. Millions Daily, steel wire, Willow brand. Like, I never heard of this brand or saw this box before, but I saw this little box. It was very inexpensive at a thrift store, so I bought it because of the cute little box, and it had these like smaller than usual paper clips. So we'll probably make one of those. I'll leave one of those out. And then some plastic one, just random. And I have my ribbons over here. Because my friend that wanted some, I took all these ribbons that I have piled over here and brought them to work this week and made some paper clips for her that are going in the mail tomorrow. You know who you are. I was recovering from my son's wedding, and she asked me a couple weeks ago, and I probably should have had them in the mail by now, but I was kind of recovering from my son's wedding and had all that going on the week before, getting ready for it, and so yeah, I needed a little time there to recuperate. But anyway, let's see. Now, usually I just randomly pick a color, pick a ribbon, put it together, but I do try to match the journal if I can, if I can. And I do have a lot of these little glittery ribbons that I ordered from Temu. And I like to make the paper clips with the thinner, what I mean is the width this way. thinner that way ribbons. It's just easier. So actually, let me put this on a green. This is green. This is a really pretty little ribbon, and I have it out. And I don't normally use these, but this pretty ribbon on something like this, but it's out here and it really is perfect. It's just a silky little pretty ribbon. So it is really perfect for paper clips. So let me just make one here, and we're going to put these, I'm going to make 5 right now, and then we're going to put them in the journal. So you can see I just did that. Okay, so that's what I did, and that's as simple as that, but I'm going to do it again and show you. It's a little bit slower in case you didn't get it. It's the same way, the same little loop that you make on a tag, kind of a, I think I heard someone call it a slip knot. I don't know if that really is a slip knot, because yeah, I just don't know. But okay, so here's another ribbon. I'm going to try not to use the same ribbon, so they kind of came unwound when I took them to work. So I need to clean up my mess here. So I'm going to do that while we are making ribbons. So here's this one that came unwound. So let's use a piece of this. And I don't even really measure or anything. Actually, I have a ribbon behind me. Let me grab that. Let me grab this ribbon behind me, because this, I don't know, I found this in my craft room and I was like, it was a random escapee kind of ribbon that just ended up being here alone by itself. So, and I put it back there to do something with it. So here we go. So you see, I just kind of fold it in half evenly. If I try to fold it in half, I don't cut the ends any certain way. If you want to cut them at an angle, you can, but you don't have to. I'm gonna close my eyes and just pick out a random paper clip here. Okay, I've got a white one, just random. I didn't look, and so I just poke my little. You see, I have it folded in half. Here's the 2 loose ends. Here's the loop. You put the loop through there, and then just take your loop like you do on a tag. I do the tags the same way, and then push the 2 other ends, or tails through there. Pull it tight. Whoops, try to get it even, Sheree. I just didn't pull it. It's so simple. I did it wrong, right? But yeah, try to keep it even. Let me do that again. Keep it even, and then you just pull it tight and you're done. I mean, this particular ribbon, and most ribbons, will stay tight. Now, I had one where I did it on video, and I showed you, it was, I think I redid it or something, because it was some kind of slippery ribbon where the ribbon was coming loose on my paper clip. I was like, I don't know what I did. I did something to fix it. Like I either tied a bow instead or something like that. But see, this is a glittery ribbon, or sparkly. It's sparkly and kind of glittery, and it's kind of a rough feel to it. So that in itself will hold it together. You know what I mean? It's just not going to slip off. It's not going to, the knot's not going to loosen up. So there you go. That's all there is to it. So that's number 2. We have a gold one. Now the one I was just going to do, when I remembered I had that piece floating around here in my craft room. This is another color. And you can do as many, or you can do them all the same colors if you're doing them for a journal or whatever. But, you do whatever you want. And just use whatever ribbons you have. I have, you can just use random, scrap ribbons. I have a little bin of scrap ribbons. You can go through your scrap ribbons and find the ones that will fit nicely, like this little thin width of one. See how thin the width is on that? It's, what, 1/4 of an inch or less. So there's number 3, and that was this it's kind of a burgundy ribbon, or a purplish. So like I said, I'm cleaning up my ribbons at the same time. So I'm going to wind this back up. And I did get this package. I got a package from, I'm trying to remember if I got them all from Temu. I think I did. So they came like in a package of a bunch of different colors. So if you want to look for them on Temu or anywhere, just look at like these glittery ribbons. If you do want to get some new ribbons, just look for them somewhere, wherever you look, Amazon, Temu, wherever you look for a package deal, you know, unless you want one color, which I did buy an extra gold one because I was using gold a lot. So I bought one extra gold one. So you like, they don't have, I don't think they have all the colors by themselves, but they did have gold, like if you just wanted to get gold or silver. Okay, this is pretty blue. This just looks like it belongs in the journal. This light blue, pretty kind of princess looking, Cinderella looking. I'm going to pick out a random paper clip though. I got a green one. Ribbons, so that's number 4. We just need one more. I've got 5 little pieces of paper and to attach to pages in here. And then I'll come back and do a flip through, but I have another little craft with me I wanted to do too, so that one's wound up. Let me put that behind me and I'll put those away. I'm getting ready to clean up here after the video. Let's see, so I have a gold one. Here's one. This one is kind of pinkish. It probably looks gold in the camera, but if you look at the side, maybe if I'm turning it around like this, you can see the pink in there too. So I've got my washer going. If you hear water in the background, I figured you wouldn't be able to hear it, but if you can, it's the washer. I'm washing something in the washer right now. So, okay, it's hard to pick out the colors of paper clips. That's why I just kind of randomly pick them out, because I don't want to spend time trying to decide the color of the paper clip. Or you could just use silver paper clips if you want, or gold. If you have gold paper clips, that would be pretty too. I think if I had any gold ones, I've already used them up. If I ever see them in the mail or anything, I do grab them and put them aside. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 now. So, like I said, I think I'll take these to work and have a crafty lunch break this week and make me some paper clips to have ready, so I don't have to make them while I'm making the journal. I do like to have, that's one thing that would be easy to, have ready. And I do like the pretty paper clips sticking out the top. And when I finished this, I was like, oh, it looks, I mean, of course it's pretty, but I missed the paper clips. So, and that's what my friend said too, that wanted some more paper clips. She's like, I like all those paper clips sticking out of the top. I'm like, yeah, I do too. I didn't know everybody else liked them as much as I do. Okay, so let us just go with the flow here. I've got a little piece of note paper here that says someday that I am going to clip in here. And I don't want you to see all the stuff I did since the video. I want to show you during the flip through, so I'm going to try not to show you all my surprises. But you may get a little peek at a couple. Okay, so we got one there. See, so I have 5 things to, 5? Yeah, 5 things. So I'm going to put 2 in this first signature and try to put the rest in the second signature. Let me just look for a page though that may not have anything on it. Okay, here, this pink page doesn't have anything on it. Let's put this next note paper. This is a note paper that I got at an estate sale. That was teacher's note. So that's another note paper for her. I kind of concentrated on writing. I do like to, when I put them into journals, I like to space them apart, and put them in different places so that when you close the journal, they're not all like right in the middle. Okay, so I put that one over to the side. So now we're going to the second signature. Let's see, it's right here. And look for a piece of paper with not much on it. Like I said, I'm trying not to show you everything because I want to show you during the flip through all the little surprises I did because I did quite a lot since the last video where we worked on this. Okay. Things are trying to get glued together. I don't know where that glue would have come from. Okay. Oh, no. Don't look. Oh, there's a pocket. Oh my goodness. Did I miss a pocket? I did. We're going to have to come back. I'm going to come back and put something in that. Goodness gracious. Okay, that's all right. Okay, let me see. Don't look. I'm just kidding. All right. Oh, okay. That's the back. I put a lot on every page, didn't I? Okay, let's clip this back here. This is the next thing. So I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to clip this over here so that the paper clip is over here on this end of the page. Okay, and then that was almost to the back, so I guess let's put one here. Note paper. This was long. I may have to fold this up. Let me fold it up a little bit. Okay. Don't want it to get messed up sticking out the bottom. This one I'm going to put in kind of just off center. And then I've got one more little recipe card. Let's put that right here. Oh wait, let's see what's on this one. What is on here? Okay, yeah, let's put it right here. All right, so I'm glad I did that because now I need to put something in that one pocket. Missed a pocket. There, let's see how it looks. There we go. That looks better with the paper clip sticking out the top there. And I got my tassel and the closures right here. Little charm. There we go. That looks better. Doesn't look so empty up there on top. That looks nice. Okay, that's what I wanted. All right, so is that everything? I think that's everything. And so now you know. If you have any questions, let me know. Everybody who wanted to know how I made my paper clips. That is how I do it. Easy peasy. You know, you can make as many as you want, however you want, with whatever ribbons you want. And there you go. You're ready to go. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.